Today we have to start the Indian Economy Chapter 7 Class 12 Environment and the Sustainable Development Part 2. In the previous lecture we have already studied that what do you mean by the global warming and what are the causes of it. Now the next topic is what are the effects of the global warming. As we know that there is a bad effect we have to see of the global warming in the environment. So now we have to study that what are. The first one is melting of ice, especially the earth pole and a cause of the flood is a part of the melting of ice. The next one is the natural disaster like hurricanes and other tropical storms become stronger and stronger because due to the global warming. The third one is tropical disease. Nowadays we have seen a different typical disease like chikungunya, malaria, dengue, etc. It is also a part of the global warming. The next one is effects on animals. Nowadays we have to see that thousands of species like a polar bear is in danger and becoming extinct forever. It means in future we can't see this like of animals. It will be a danger for them. Effects on the seasons. Effects of the seasons means it has lead to shift in cycle of season as summer are getting longer than the winter. In the previous year we have seen that the summers was shorter than the winter, but nowadays we have to see that winter are shorter than the summer. Next, so we have to see that effects of the global warming are melting of ice, natural disasters, tropical disease, effects on animals and the effects on the seasons. Now in this chapter, the next topic is ozone depletion. Now what is the question that what do you mean by the ozone depletion and what are the importance of ozone layer? The destruction of ozone in the ozone layer due to presence of chlorine from the man-made chlorofluorocarbon. This is in short, it is known as the CFC. C means chloro, F matlab fluoro and C means carbon and other forces. It means you can say the ozone layer becoming thin. So the sun rays directly affect on the earth. The causes of the ozone depletion. It means why the ozone layer becoming thin. What are the reason behind it? The reason is that because of the high level of chlorine and the bromine compound in the stratosphere. And it means you can say that the increasing the chlorine and the bromine in the atmosphere is a cause of the ozone depletion. Now, why the CFC origin? Origin of the CFC. The first one is CFC. CFC means chlorofluorocarbon, which is used as cooling substance like AC, refrigerator. It means the substance which provide cooling for us release a gas. This is known as a chlorofluorocarbon. The second one is aerosol, propellants and bromofluorocarbon. This is known as a BFC. BFC means bromofluorocarbon. It is fine where it will in the fire extinguisher. It means you can say that in the fire extinguisher the BFC is released, whereas in the cooling substance CFC is released. Both gases are harmful for the atmosphere and cause ozone depletion. Now the question is that what are the effects of ozone depletion? Why we are discussing here? I mean, so much we are afraid about that. The effects, the more ultraviolet radiation, this is known as in short we can say the UV. UV means ultraviolet, comes to earth and cause danger to living organisms. It means the ultraviolet rays comes to the earth directly and cause a damage for the living organisms. The next harm of the ozone depletion is that it is responsible for the skin cancer also. Different types of skin cancer you will be found nowadays. It will be a cause because of the ozone depletion. The next, it is also influence the growth of terrestrial plant. The plant which will be on the hill areas. So when the sun rays directly laid down on that, and they will be destroy the plant. So we have to complete ozone depletion. What are the mean of the ozone depletion? What are the causes of ozone depletion? And why, where the CFC is produced? The origin of CFC, and what are the effects of the ozone depletion. The next part of this chapter is state of Indian economy, state of Indian environment. What are the state of Indian environment? India has abundant natural resources like quality of soil, 100 rivers, green forest, plenty of minerals, natural deposits, etc. It means you can say that India has a very rich about the environment. Black soil of Deccan Plateau is particularly suitable for the cultivation of cotton. It means you can say that for the cotton industry, for the textile industry, the black soil is a gold for that. Or black soil is found out where? Deccan Plateau. The next one is Indo-Gangetic Plains, spread from the Arabian Sea to the Bay of Bengal, is most fertile. I am saying most fertile and density populated regions in the world. Most population are densite in that area. The next one is India's forest provide green cover for population and the wildlife. Both. It provides green cover to the both for the population and the wildlife. And the last topic of that is large deposit of iron ore, coal, natural gas. Are that the 20% of the world's total iron ore reserve found in India. So we can say that India is very rich about the soil, about the rivers, about the green forest, about the mineral deposits, etc. Thank you so much. Today we have to complete the part 2. In the next part 3, we have to complete this chapter environment and the sustainable development. Thank you so much.